Are thumbnails not showing properly on the Reddit app? If posts thumbnails are missing, blurred, not loading, or displaying incorrectly, it can affect your browsing experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix thumbnails on Reddit app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Reddit. Then here in this page, we'll move to profile. Then we'll move to three lines. Then we go to settings. After that, here in this page, you will find thumbnails, and here you can change the settings of the thumbnails. You can always show it, for example, or not, never show. So please don't